Welcome to Mastork Technologies.
AI Builder is one of the crucial component of Microsoft Power Platform. Through the short video, we will try to explain the usage cost of AI Builder in various scenarios. AI Builder capacity packs comes in 3 tiers. If someone purchases only one pack per month under Tier 1, the cost of this single pack is $500. As you go from Tier 2 and Tier 3 packs, the per pack comes down by 25% and 50% respectively. Each capacity pack includes 1 million service credits per month. These service credits are consumed at different rates by various AI Builder capabilities as follows. At the time of recording this video, the first column capability represents various services available under AI Builder. Each of these capability services are consumed at a different rate as shown in fourth column service credit consumption rate. For example, using AI prompts with GPT 3.5 consumes 6 credits for 1000 tokens. 1000 tokens corresponds to 700 words approximately. So if your solution is using AI prompt for summarizing a 1500 words document to a 100 word summary, a total of 12 credits would be consumed, which is equivalent to $0.006 US. Apart from this, with every paid license of Power Apps and Power Automate, some AI Builder credits are allocated and gets accrued at the tenant level every month. Now we'll take you to an actual example where we helped a prominent recruiting agency by automating candidates' resumes scrutinization process using AI Builder. On an average, the recruiting agency processes 10,000 resumes per month manually, for which a team of 10 associates were deployed. By leveraging Power Automate and AI Builder, we automated 2 key process steps. First is resume processing and information extraction step, and the second is entity extraction step. These 2 steps are the most crucial and time-consuming part of the scrutinization processes. By automating these 2 process steps, our client was able to save 56% time effort on the overall process. The right side table gives a tentative AI Builder costs per PDF. These costs are based at Tier 1 capability pack pricing. So in all, to process 10,000 such resumes, client is spending less than $200 US or 16,000 Indian rupees on these 2 processes. But please be mindful that a basic Tier 1 pack starts from $500 per month. The leftover credits can be used for other enhancements. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Soon we will come up demo of the AI Builder solution presented in this video.